Kumusta? So, nasa quarantine pa rin tayo. But today, we will be doing a dishwashing soap. Ayan. Mag-aaral na kaming gumawa ng dishwashing soap kasi ang hirap mag-order online and sometimes ang hirap din mag-grocery. So, let's begin by showing you the ingredients or materials needed for the dishwashing soap. So, itong materials, binili ko to sa Lazada. And then, mabilis naman yung shipping. Parang wala pang 5 days dumating na sa bahay. So, okay. Let's start with ingredient number 1. Surfactant number 1. So, marami tong surfactant. This is number 1. Ayan. Medyo ano siya. Parang liquid na makapal. And then, surfactant number 2. Ayan. Parang ano siya. May mga pahaba na grains. Yan ang itsura niya. And then, surfactant number 3 naman, this one, it's powder. And then, so, surfactant number 4 is liquid siya, clear. And then, surfactant number 5, ayan. Para siyang gel. And then, additive number 1. Ito, powder din. Kamukha ng isang surfactant kanina. And then, additive number 2. Ayan. Liquid din siya na clear. Tapos, meron tayong thickener. Parang asukal to. And then, yung scent, lavender scent yung gagawin natin. Tapos, colorant para may kulay yung dishwashing soap natin. So, itong ingredients na to, naka-proportion na siya for 12 liters of water. Yun ang gagawin natin. Pero merong reminders for preparation. So, babasahin ko muna. Number 1, use clean and dry mixing container with 20 liters enough capacity. So, hindi pwedeng saktong 12 liters kasi baka aapaw pag nilagay na yung ingredients. And then, use clean tap water like Maynilad or Nawasa or purified water. Put exact quantity of water to ensure the quality of products. And take note, deep well water, tubig poso, is not allowed. And then, no hot water needed kasi this is a cold process method. Tapos, don't use wood paddle as a mixer or anything made from wood because this will absorb the chemical. And then, one direction in enough mixing to avoid more bubbles. Tapos, don't discard the bubbles if in case magbubbles. It will turn back into liquid once it subsides. And then, use gloves and mask for safety and protection. Use strainer to ensure the quality of your products before packing. So, in case gusto nyong ipack for selling, ganon. Pero kami for house use lang. Tapos, avoid direct sunlight exposure of the products. And then, strictly follow the procedure and instructions for good results. So, ngayon, yun. So, aside from the ingredients, kailangan nyo syempre mag-prepare. Yun nga, mask. Yan, pwede yung washable mask natin na ginagamit pag nag-grocery. And then, yung dala namin ngayon, pail. Medyo malaking pail. I think kasya na dito 20 liters. Tapos may gloves kami. And then, kailangan ng pang-cover later dun sa pail. So, kung meron kayong, kung may cover yung pail nyo or may mas medyo malaking palanggana, pwede na yon. And we will begin. Okay, so, first step is yun, maglagay ng 12 liters of clean tap water or purified water. Lagay na sinabi ko kanina sa isang timba. And then, we will add surfactant number 1. Next is surfactant number 2. Lahat. And then, mix ulit until na-dissolve. So, yung surfactant number 1, medyo matagal-tagal na mixing yun. Okay. Next step is add surfactant number 3. Degreaser. So, ang tanggal ng grease. So, next is add surfactant number 5. Ito yung foaming plus moisturizer. So, habang use natin. Next is additive number 1. And then we will add the colorant para magkulay lavender siya. And then i-add natin yung lavender scent para mabango yung liquid dishwashing soap natin. Okay, and the last ingredient is the thickener. Ito parang asukal eh. Kailangan i-mix well. Make sure na na-dissolve siya. Thicken siya. Totoong thickener. Okay, so after mixing thoroughly, nag-thicken na siya, may scent na may color na. Kailangan natin siyang takpan. So, ayan, until mag-subside pa yung bubbles.
This is now our finished product. We will now transfer it to our containers using a funnel and strainer.
So, after overnight na we allowed the bubbles to subside, meron na tayong dishwashing soap. So, sinali na namin sa container kasi pang house use lang naman namin, hindi for sale. Ito yung isang pinaglagyan namin ng container. May dispenser na siya. Luma to. Hand soap dati yung laman. So, dito namin nilagay. Tsaka doon sa mga luma pa naming dishwashing soap na container. Bali, ang nagawa natin using 12 liters of water is a little over 13 liters of dishwashing soap. So, ganun kadami. I think hanggang end of the year na namin yun gagamitin. So, madali lang gawin. It takes hours before you can use it, pero sobrang makakatipid kami. For less than 500 pesos worth of ingredients, meron na kaming supply of dishwashing soap for the next few months. So, yon, you can also do it at home. Very easy. And, iwan ko dun sa description kung saan nyo pwedeng bilhin, kung saan ko binili. So, you can check out their store in Lazada. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!